Everyone, welcome to the next part of my downsizing. Alright, let's see if I can get this in a bag. This will go to Goodwill. What are you doing up there, smarty pants? Yes, if you're looking at this video, it's kind of upside down because I'm lying on my bed looking up at Sherlock, who from time to time will jump up there and then jump on me at the end of the night. Alright, so my next step is this closet here. And what I need to do is get anything out of here that is not work related, because I'm having trouble getting into stuff. It's not a very wide closet, so I'm going to clear that out. Okay, so next to tackle or sort out, organize is these things hanging right on the front. Usually I hang stuff on here I'm using frequently. And then I'm going to take stuff out of here except for these three here are just three sets of nice clothes for interviews or you know, some kind of desk job if I need to do admin, if I'm ever going on the road and I need to, you know, look the part depending on what I'm doing. I've got a couple of nice shirts and pants. So alright, so here's pretty much my daily wear. Since closet space eventually on an RV or a van will be limited, yes, I have both this one and this secondary one that has all my work hanging work clothes that I use now. Those would probably fit all up in here to eliminate that closet. And in the bottom, I can put at least one of these units. All right, this is one of my assistants, Sherlock, hard at work. He's going to observe to make sure I do everything correctly. Alright, it's just a quick video. I did some reorganizing and my closet's freed up about 24 hangers. Anybody need hangers? Let me know. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share.